I hear you, Blues Head.
Okay, block wall, drive side, as you can tell. Slightly bowed in. Bowed in. Okay, that means there's going to be multiple exterior cracks. Block wall, hollow block. Okay, that's the corner. You also got some loose parging. We got to get this shit. And over here,
Right in the middle, right there, right?
vertical crack. This is just so far, only down about halfway. Underground tree roots. Right. See all the roots coming out of the bank? A lot of them at this corner. And what do we have at the corner? Plus the parging's all. We're gonna have to pop this off, tie the corner too. Because you can see it, it's just loose. Okay. So installing any interior system will not stop further water from coming through the problems. The problems are the exterior cracks. Okay. And they got mold down there, so never gonna stop the mold with an inside system either. Okay.